My name is Marie-France Garon. So our little entree is a very simple avocado and prawn salad, and I've prepared quite a few things already here. I cut the avocado. I was lucky to find some avocado that was just perfect for today, and what I did is I cut them a few minutes ago, but I put some lemon juice on top so that stops them from oxidizing or going brown. So they're gonna stay with the beautiful green color. So they're ready to go on our little salad. I've got some prawns here that I have cooked already. So very, very simple. I use the raw prawns or green prawns, and those are all peeled, no tails. So how I cook them is I make sure that I'm ready to go. Boil the water with some salt. When the water is boiling, I throw them in. 1 minute. Then I take them out and I put them immediately in cold water to stop the cooking. You will notice if you cook them too much, they go curly, and they go like they look really smaller. So the worst thing to do is to cook them too much. 1 minute, 1.5 minutes is plenty for prawns. So that's what we did here, and have some hearts of palm here just to add on to our little salad. It's that simple. So we're gonna just put that onto the lettuce. Let's start. And I think when you make something that simple and healthy, it has to look good. Don't just throw it together. Just take the time to make it look good. And so I've chosen some nice leaves here, and I'm gonna put some avocado like this. Let's just go with that. So line them up like this. I'm choosing all the best one here so far. So we're just gonna put them like that and add our prawns just like this, and some heart of palm. I'll just put a few just like this. Just place it all like so. So that's how it's gonna look, simple. I will add a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley, just for the looks. Maybe one little bit here. And I think that would be just nice like that. Now, I'm gonna build the other ones later, but for our dressing for that, I made it yesterday, my dressing, in a little jar like that. I like to keep the little glass jar for dressing because it's easy to shake it up. It closes really well. So what's in it is there's half a lemon juice, the juice of half a lemon. There's 3 cloves of garlic and olive oil. And so I want it to be really garlicky, this sauce or this dressing. So I've put 3 cloves of garlic here and a little bit of stevia for sweetener. I always have a little bit of sweet in the dressing. Now, what I'm going to do with this dressing is I'm going to strain it because I don't want to have all this garlic on my salad. I just want the taste of it. So that's why I made it yesterday, and I let it be for overnight. And now we have our beautiful vinaigrette that's garlic infused. Now I'm not gonna throw that. I'm gonna do something with this later. I'm sure I'll find a way of using it. And we're gonna just go and put a little bit of our dressing like this on top. That's enough. And voila, that's our little entree. It's simple, it's fresh, it's delicious, and it's healthy. Bon appetit!